Hey guys, I'm Finn, and today we're heading to the outer edges of our solar system through an amazing citizen science project called Backyard World's Planet 9. This is where science, technology, and everyday people like you and me come together to help NASA discover hidden objects in space. Think brown dwarfs, low-mass stars, and possibly even the mysterious Planet 9. So what's the science behind this? Astronomers believe there are tons of objects, especially brown dwarfs, that are floating near our solar system but are too dim to see with regular telescopes. These objects glow in infrared, not visible light, and on top of that, there's growing evidence that a ninth planet could be lurking far beyond Neptune. It might even already be in telescope images, we just haven't recognized it yet. This project is trying to answer some huge questions, like what kinds of hidden objects are floating just beyond our solar system? How many brown dwarfs are out there, and how do they form? And could we actually discover Planet 9 using existing data? To help out, all you need is a computer and your eyes. On the Zooniverse platform, you look at blink images created using infrared data from NASA's WISE telescope. The interface shows moving objects by switching between images taken years apart. You'll spot fast movers as little blinking dots and slower objects as paired red and blue blobs called dipoles. Once you see something moving, you mark it using the built-in tool. The science team behind this project is incredible. Dr. Jackie Faraday from the American Museum of Natural History studies brown dwarfs and how their atmospheres compare to planets like Jupiter. And Dr. Mark Kushner from NASA Goddard is the project's principal investigator and a major name in exoplanet research. Both scientists are super passionate about including citizen science in real discovery. The project uses data from NASA's WISE telescope, which scanned the entire sky in infrared. Then it uses a special processing system called UNWISE to combine images from multiple years. This allows us to subtract one image from another and highlight movement. That's what we're looking at, objects that have shifted across the sky over time. Once you tag a possible object, it goes into a database where scientists can review it. Each object has a report with information like its position, brightness, and motion across different time frames. If it looks promising, it may even get a follow-up observation with another telescope. That means something you find could become a real scientific discovery. I chose this project because I've always been fascinated by the idea of discovery, especially in space. I ended up spending over 4 hours on the project, scanning blink images, tagging potential brown dwarfs, and learning how to tell real motion from artifacts. One of the coolest things I learned was how infrared imaging works, and how it reveals things we could never see with regular light. If I could suggest one improvement, I'd add a short tutorial with examples of what real movers look like versus common artifacts. Also, a practice mode with known answers could help new users build confidence before tagging live data. There's a whole community behind this project. On the Backyard World's talk page, people are discussing discoveries, helping each other identify artifacts, and even sharing fun space memes. The volunteers range from students to amateur astronomers to retirees, all united by a love for space and science. So that's Backyard World's Planet 9. It's a powerful reminder that you don't need a lab coat or a telescope to be a part of cutting-edge science. All you need is curiosity, a few spare minutes, and your eyes. Citizen science is about bringing people into the heart of discovery. And who knows, your next click could lead to finding a new neighbor in our solar system. Thanks for watching and happy hunting.